Hey guys, the new Cyber Kit just came out, so I'm going to buy it, and we are going to try some duos out with it, and I hope this will be an insane video. So anyways, let's get right into it. So here we are. The Cyber Kit looks very ugly, kind of like CDM in real life. So here we are with a bounty hunter. Someone's using a Season 1 kit. That sucks. I wish I had Season 1 kits, but I don't. Okay, so I think he stole my shield. He stole my shield! So, anyways, as the Cyber Kit, we get to buy drones for 15 iron. I know, it's gonna be great. Am I right? So, here we go. Let's purchase our first drone, and here's how it works. You hold the drone, and then you can just, fly anywhere you want and pick up any amount of one resource. So here we're going to go on a little emerald hunting spree. Okay, guys. We finished our emerald hunting spree. We're going to get a diamond sword so we can kill everyone super fast. Oops. Drop and then fly away. And then I have VMs now. So as you can see, we now have VMs inside of our inventory. Gonna pick up some diamonds. I just practically stole them from that guy bridging. And then we drop the diamonds on ourselves. So basically, that's what the drone kit does. It just flies around, collecting all the resources for you. Oh, wait. It fell. My drone fell. Father. Okay, where should we land our drone? You know what? Who cares? Who cares at this point? Okay, we're going to upgrade armor protection. Get a diamond sword. And then get some armor. Attempt 1 to give my enemy some iron. Here you go, enemy. You want some iron? Attempt 2 failed. So here it just fell into the void, I promise you. Bridge, 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 bridge. Oh, that's a 4-shot. That's a 4-shot. It's a 4-shot. Bing. Guys, he's coming. He's coming. Oh, wait. No, no, no. No, we were too late. Ah, die. Guys, we died. No, our sword. Well, at least we killed one of them. Purple team is completely eliminated. Now that we have a new drone, we can, Oh, no, someone's coming to us. Wait, was that McDonald's Wi-Fi, bro? Bro, is this just me, or is that Combo? We got killed, guys. No, our bed. Oh, no, we're dead. We're dead. Literally dead. Dead. Yep. Okay, so in a new game, and let's just get right into it. Someone asked me for a drone, so I gave them a drone. Look, give me a drone. He didn't even ask. He just said, give me a drone. Maybe, yeah. I'll give you that. I might. He needs it, guys. He needs it. Okay, we're gonna put it in there. There, now that he has his own drone. Bye, drone. Bye. People grow up so fast, am I right? We can share BEMs, guys. They are BEMs. Drone hunting spree. Okay, I'm voiceovering a YouTube video, so I would like it if you could get out for a second. Okay. Guys, we are back and we are going to get our BEMs. There's the BEMs. Take the BEMs, my master. Yay! We have 3 BEMs now. Wait, was that an enemy drone? Guys, I think that was an enemy drone. Oh, it was just bees. Oh, he's just said yes. Oh. Okay, gonna pick those up. Oh, I stole the diamond. I stole the diamond. You know, guys, like I feel like, oh, he fell off the world. Guys, I really want to give this diamond to him. Yep, I never gave him the diamond. I never gave him the diamond. He didn't deserve it. Ow. Just hit myself with the screen. Now, can I have one more drone? Intense conversation. Yep. Real intense conversation. Let's just go get more diamonds. Pink team stole it. We lost again. Yay. Okay, this time we're gonna buy a drone. It's gonna be so fun. There's some iron for my master. Then we are going to go get the drone stuff. We're gonna get the resources. And we haven't started our drone hunting spree yet, so don't worry, guys. It will start soon. It'll start soon. Don't you worry. Just gonna go check out. Oh, green team's being interrupted by orange. Oh. Okay, time for a drone hunting spree. And here we go. And there. God, I'm recording in here. Both of you get out. Sorry about my sisters, but here we go. I can't believe them. Keep interrupting my recordings. Oh, that was actually a close one. Time for another emerald spree, but it's not a drone spree. We're gonna eat a speed pie to go super fast. Yeah. And then we just run around here, keep running. We have all our M's. Oh, that's the wrong base. Okay, I guess we've got to go back to our base. And take that. I'll take that goo glob. Give me grapple. Guys, we're actually getting really good at using the grappling hook. Am I right? Oh, notice, guys, that I'm the last person on my team. Gonna try to clutch up. Okay, so here we are at an airdrop. Ow, I almost got killed by an airdrop. Oh, that block broke. Okay, bing it. It's a turtle armor. I don't need that. That would cover up my super amazing cyber backpack. Guess I don't need to buy stuff from you. Bing. Ooh, a mass hammer. I like mass hammers. Ooh, yeah. I got nothing. Lol. Okay, I need my blocks. I have my turtle armor. Guys, look, we have a turtle armor. Are you guys ready? Oh, wait, we can just grapple there. Oh, one of these points we fell in the void. We're just gonna bring our drone over here. Oh, I see someone at the emeralds. Oh, they trying to shoot us? I can move faster than you. I can move faster. Die. Okay, guys, we killed them. Oh, that was purple team. They've been next to our base for quite some time now. Let's go over there. Purple. Hey, buddy. break the bed. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 they're here. They're here. Die, 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 die. Guys, we need to run. We need to run. We're at half HP. What was that? Half HP. Don't worry, guys. We can easily recover from this. We've got an iron axe. We've got some TNT. This is gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy. Oh, did they just try to fireball me? Buddy, I think they're out of fireballs. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. Go, smack. That was easy. Yep, that's true. I broke his bed, then killed him. As you can see, purple team is eliminated. You can see his aura next to his bed protection. You saw it. Did you see it, guys? You can see his aura. So, we now have a drone. Okay, we're just gonna go do some stuff with this. Yeah, we're just gonna play around with our drone a bit. Break this block. And here's where I almost fell into the void. Dancing is bad. That's what I learned today. I almost lost because of dancing. We're going to bring our drone over here to help us. To make us feel strong enough. Oh, there we are. Just, I guess, just flying around in the sky. Just, okay. Okay. Bing. Can land right there. Wait, guys. Is that another drone? I think I see it, another drone. Oh, there it is. There it is. I see it. I see it. I see it. Oh, I think it's Pink Team's drone. No, come here. Did some stuff and then killed the other drone. Yep. It's true. Okay. Ah, the slick coils, they're not doing any damage to me. So I don't care. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to bring our drone over to us. The vending machine is still broken. At this moment, I realized that I was getting bored, so I skipped to a fun part. Okay, so this is an intense bow battle over the void. I mean, literally, you can see the rising void. Natural disasters happening right now. They fired an RPG at me. It missed, but I still fell. And then after the rising void was over, kind of just waited and then bowed him. He didn't take any fall damage, but still, it was funny. It was funny to watch him fall to his doom. Okay, so anyway, here we go. I harassed them. They got scared. They tried to kill me, but I won. I won. Watch. I even damaged myself, and they lost. They're so sucky. They suck. They suck. Let's just pull out our RPG. We need that. Come on, pull it out. Yep. Okay, guys, we've got our RPG. We're going to start killing him. Whee! Guys, we hit him. We hit him. We hit him. I harassed them some more. They tried to run. They failed. I knocked them into the void. Team Cyan wins. Let's go, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, there will be more videos like this. Bye. Peace.